ek wil gou julle met die paneel van Idols judges wees. Jy is Gareth, jy is Randall, jy is Mara Lou.
Yes.
Okay, en ek gaan vir julle 'n kleine ding uit Idols wat ek gesien het, weet jy, 'n jaar of so terug, hoe die meisie uitgekom het en sy het gesê, killing me softly. Killing me softly. En dit het so gegaan, so gee julle eine seker, sy het gesê, strumbling the pen, what the finger. Trouble the pen, for remix. Haibo, 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 ewe, aish. Wat sê jy, Gerard?
I really don't think you're for this competition. I really, you should go home and tell the people who told you to sing to tell you not to sing anymore.
Randall, what do you say? Do you just say Jetty Saturday?
Well, I don't agree with him at all. I think he's being too kind. You're absolutely horrible and talentless.
And last but not least, Mama Gogo, you my auntie, Mara, tell me, say for me.
Hey, my sweet child. I can't seem to tell you because I'm too drunk.